See that blacked out car over there? It's been waiting for us. It's a tail. Are you drunk driving? Drive like you're playing a video game. What is this, a trip to the mall? We are being pursued. Can you take a breather and relax?
See them anymore.
Me neither. Let's get to the factory. Come on. We're holding Matt Conti, the employee who took the PCB at the factory.
What do you mean holding?
I don't want to die today, Diaz.
What do you mean holding him?
The unit you engaged at the plains were highly trained and dangerous mercenaries. No pushover.
Then you know I was just doing what I had to.
For what it's worth, Mr. Silva and I agreed that I shouldn't have sent you out there alone.
So why were a bunch of mercs after this tech so bad that they were prepared to kill for it?
The Red Sand are an organized group of former soldiers and ex-cons. It's not clear who they're working for.
If they're mercenaries, can't Silva just pay them more to give up the goods?
It doesn't work like that. They're not exactly going to be pleased that you just took out a whole squad of them.
What does this PCB do?
It's a Can you take a breather and relax? It's a prototype circuit board for allowing cross-platform communications and security overrides between our hardware. It's never been implemented because we didn't like the idea of our AI systems interacting.
Meaning you didn't want your robots talking to each other?
We decided it was too dangerous.
Sounds like in the wrong hands it could do a lot of damage.
Precisely. Although it's impossible to say what they wanted it for.
Do you have a best guess?
I deal in certainties, not guesses. The factory. Conti is being... Are you drunk driving? You drive like you're playing a video game. trajectory before Conti becomes a flight risk. I don't want to die today, Diaz. Clear. Are you drunk driving? He's been in there a couple hours. I want you to question him.
Wait, what makes you think he's gonna talk to me?
Oh, he'll talk. I'll make sure of it.
What the hell, man? You can't keep me here.
Matthew Conti, please remain seated.
I want to speak to my lawyer now. I know my rights.
Look, Matt, I'm 11 with you, man. If I was a betting man, I'd guess by your self-righteous tone that you are in some deep shit.
So what, man? You got nothing. I was out for a drive and then I pulled over to take a piss. That's it.
Come on, Matt. We know that this was a drop-off. I was the one that was following you.
Okay, I get it. Silva Corp sends in one of their military goons to try and intimidate me. But guess what?
I don't have to sit here and listen to any of your bullshit!
You're gonna be a lot better off cooperating with me than you will be taking on an army of Silva Corp lawyers.
Come on, man. I can't do this right now. They have access to our cameras. They'll see everything. I'll be slaughtered.
They?
Shit. That's you. Oh, shit, that's you. Okay, they had me jam the firewall so these nerds they hired could hack into the Silva network once I set up the transmitter. It wasn't my fault. I was just trying to...
Where's your transmitter?
It's in my locker.
Go. Now.
This is a bad idea, man. Oh, shit. You're one of them. You're working with them. No, please, don't hurt me. I didn't do anything.
What do you know?
I just saw him once. He has the same chunk of metal on his neck, and he had a prosthetic arm. He was all tatted up.
Jacob,
Who is he?
what's going on?
Just trying to get some answers.
Lady, you can't trust this guy. He's working with him. He's got the thing on the back of his neck. Don't understand. He's working.
Now.
Lens, CPR assist.
We need a medical team to the locker room immediately.
I got this. Come on, man. Come on. Start breathing.
Start breathing!
We'll take it from here.
Hold on! I need to talk to him.
We need to get him to a hospital.
He will when I'm done with him. Who's your contact?
Dr. Breathe!
I don't know.
His oxygen levels are dropping.
They call themselves Robin Hood and Little John.
Are they working for the tattooed man?
Where can we find them? He's all yours.
Vitals are dropping! Let's get him out of here!
Override. Search Robin Hood and Little John. Crypt. Search location. Who is this tattooed man, Diaz?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Explosion triggered the emergency protocol. I need to get us back online. Get to your vehicle. When I have these coordinates, I need you to be ready. I'm trusting you here. Don't make me regret it.
Jacob, Las Okada here. We noticed your car took something of a beating. We've taken the liberty of renewing it. You'll find it on your usual spot.
Okay. Thanks, Lars. Navigate to pin.
We have the coordinates for one of the hackers, Little John. Ping is an old trailer park in Back Niner territory. Get there fast. We can't let whoever blew up the factory get to the target before us. We need to get the location of the second hacker from him.
I'm on my way.
And Diaz, there's a sandstorm incoming. We get a lot of them here. Use caution.
We basically showered in sand in the military. I can handle it. So tell me more about these Back Niners.
Outsiders who live off-grid. They'd say they're the only free citizens of Red Rock.
Living in a trailer park makes you free?
Thanks to the CARE system, every phone and device, copbot, traffic cam, surveillance drone, and satellite is linked and analyzed in real time by security algorithms. Crime in this city is almost impossible for your average citizen.
Unless you can keep your identity off the database.
And the backliners do, under the veil of being anti-technology.
Sounds like the right cover for a hacker to hide behind. Even if they do have shitty internet.
Exactly. And the link between the hackers and the PCB theft is clear. Find the hackers and we'll get our answers.
So if Silvercorp makes the cop bots, who has access to the database?
It's a point of contention with the mayor. Just like any other Silver product, once bots or drones are shipped, they become the absolute property of the buyer, in this case, the city. Silver has the best AI control system on the planet, and Markle demands it runs only from our servers.
So the entire CARE system is under Silva control?
We have an obligation, if asked, to provide all data to the authorities, but yes.
No wonder the mayor doesn't like it.
It works to your advantage, Diaz. You were already a ghost since you joined the Special Forces. I've made sure that even if you actively engage with the cop-bots, your identity will never be saved in the database.
I wondered why the only knock on my door was from you. I assume this trailer park isn't exactly a hippie commune. I'm not going to be welcomed with open arms.
Because of the nature of their business, the backliners are used to strangers. So if you show confidence, your presence inside won't be anything new.
Understood.
Hurry up. As soon as the hacker hears about the bomb, he'll be out of there. You need to move.
I'm aware.
Call me when you get there.
Great day to you too. Seb.
Jake, you okay? What happened with this bomb going off at the factory?
I'm good. It was some employee got involved with the wrong people. Long story.
Can't believe this happened here.
Hey, listen. I've been doing some thinking, and whatever happened to my head, it's no excuse. I'm sorry I was such a jerk.
Probably don't remember this either, but in 9th grade, you stopped me from getting beat up.
Oh, did we know each other in high school?
Very funny. Seriously, man, you were responsible for one of my best childhood experiences. There I was, skinny little 14-year-old, 3 seniors about to wipe the ground with me. Then bang, you appeared out of nowhere and beat the shit out of all. No one ever touched me again.
Pretty sure there were 5 of them, not just 1.
Your memory really is wonky.
I'll catch you later, buddy.
Need I remind you that hacker is our only lead? Come on!
Call Rigby.
What's your status?
Yeah, just parked, heading in on foot. Is there, anything specific I should be looking for?
We're decrypting a photo from Conti's lens.
Copy that.
This is what we lifted from Conti's lens. Sent to him by a private number. Get in there and look around. This is what we lifted from Conti's lens. Sent to him by a private number. Get in there and look around. This is what we lifted from Conti's lens. Sent to him by a private number. Get in there and look around.
Get lost, buddy.
I'm just looking for someone.
As long as you stay on this side of the fence, you can look for whoever you want.
All right.
Don't raise any alarm bells or the hacker will be spooked.
Do you mind? We're in the middle of something. I'm getting real sick of seeing your dumb face.
I need me a doom buggy.
Diaz, get into that trailer park. Sprout wings and fly in. I don't care.
inside. What a shithole. Hey, Rigby. Am I gonna need to defend myself again in here?
You're good. Don't interfere with them and they won't bother you.
Weird place for a hacker. Guess that's why hiding here works so well. I think I see the trailer.
Get Little John and get back to the factory.
Love this place. So much character.
Little John's toast. And I got company.
Is that gunfire in here?
Well, it ain't popcorn. You think I blew up Little John's trailer?
Okay, focus on getting out of there alive.
That would be the idea. Some of those red sand mercs are here too. They must be responsible. Any luck on the coordinates for that other hacker?
We're still working on it. Control, find me that location, now!
I'm glad you ain't talking to me like that, Rigby. Guys, for fuck's sake! Oh, I just want to leave.
Talk to me.
Those mercs are leaving. I'm going after them.
Good call. Until we have the coordinates, that's the only option we got.
Lance, track that truck.
Hurry up and get out of there. You know where they're headed next.
Giving chase. Push it. Push it. I'm on their tail, but I can't see shit through this sandstorm. How long do these things usually last?
We had them last for days. Do your best to keep them in sight.
I bet they're on their way to deal with that other hacker.
That's why you can't lose them.
Come on. Come on.
Stay on them, Diaz! Stay on their path. that car.
They're taking the exit ramp. We're coming off the freeway. Where are these guys going? Stay steady, you fuck. Where the fuck are you going?
We got company.
Hijo de puta! Die, motherfucker!
Really was our final straw.
Slowly.
Calmate, okay? I'm not here to hurt you.
Give me your gun.
I think it's better for both of us if I hang on to it, yeah?
Do what I say, or you'll end up like him.
Are you there? Come in. Backup's on the way. ETA 1 minute.
I'm serious!
Hey, listen, you don't have to trust me, but those guys, they're gonna barbecue us, okay? Just like they did to your friend at the Back Niners trailer park.
Gil's dead?
We need to get the hell out of here.
Fuck. No, fucking what the fuck?
Hey, I didn't kill your friend, okay? I'm just here to make sure that you get out alive. Get down. Can you drive?
Can you shoot?
Yeah. Come on. Drive!
Okay, but where am I driving to?
The coordinates are in the GPS. Now fucking drive!
Oh my god, they're following us!
Then lose them!
You better be good with that gun!
I'll worry about the gun. You worry about keeping us alive.
Oh shit! More of them, just keep coming!
Keep driving. We gotta lose them.
Jesus, that guy nearly ran us off the road!
Stay focused. We can make it.
You might be with them! You're definitely a killer! And you don't hear about safe fire machine guns at our spirits too often! God, more of them! Are they bleeding?
They'll give up before we do. Stay focused.
What the fuck have I got myself into? What the fuck have I got myself into?
You're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Don't like that, huh?
I'm a fucking idiot! A greedy fucking idiot! And now you're dying! Just for Gil's dead! Shit! No, just see that! Gil's dead! He's fucking dead!
Yeah, I'm truly sorry about that. I was just too late to save him. Let's not be next. That all you got? That was a no-fault collision. Okay, looks clear. Call Rigby. I've got Robin Hood, and she is in one piece.
Robin Hood. My name is Carrie Rigby. I'm head of security at Silvercorp.
I know who you are, Carrie Rigby. I studied up on your company.
We'd like you to stay at our safe house for the foreseeable future.
Ha! Are you trying to hire me? After I was hired to hack you?
So, would you like to accept our offer, or shall I have DS here throw you off the nearest bridge?
Okay, if you make it 32K, exactly. Then we have a deal.
I'll be in touch.
Ah, my luxury prison.
We're here. Come on. You all right?
Yeah.
Diaz, were you followed?
I took care of them.
Shit. I'm gonna need better gear than this.
and remote access to Civil Core's servers.
That will be earned with good behavior.
Like I said, it's a prison.
Diaz, get back here to the factory. We need all hands on deck.
Copy that.
Hey, Diaz. Got a first name?
Jacob.
Cool. I'm Charlie.
I'll be seeing you around, Charlie.